All right, looking good, Supreme. So good thing it's not raining anymore. It was really pouring earlier. We got some of the cement here covered up. Here's some more materials that came in. All right, take care. Amping. That's not an easy walk. That's impressive. Wow. All right, guys, so they ran out of the rice that we got them last time. So we got 2 more bags, one here, and then Emma's carrying one. I got some canned goods. And we are taking them shopping soon. This is just to hold them over until we do go. All right, guys, we'll carry this to the house. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Kapoy kayo. Woo.
Wala uwan.
Man.
Wala na uwan.
Lapuk kayo. Yeah.
Lapok na tiil.
You know lapuk English? Like muddy.
English naman. Estudyante. Yung kaila sa English lapok.
Not just muddy, it's very sticky mud and slippery.
May nalang kayong bus.
How's your foot? You're walking better. Whoa, yeah. Which one's a good one? This is a good one? I'll take this one. Thank you, salamat. John D's favorite. Wow.
Sampalo.
Good find. I'm surprised there's any left. You take so much every day.
Kamay asin. Tagpo binabraso ni Mama Rizal. May sakto rin na niya baldi.
Alright guys, I'm gonna head back. I need to order more sand. I need to get 40 bags of fine sand. That's for like the finishing on the hollow blocks. And then I need 50 bags of regular sand to finish the floor and everything else. So I'm gonna go do that. Romeo's still working hard. Wow. All right, so I'm gonna go order those to keep the momentum going. Hopefully that comes in tomorrow. And the floor should be finished by tomorrow, and they'll probably start moving the stuff in soon.
Sir.
Hey, sir. Good work.
Thank you very much. Give me your rice.
Hey, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. I know this takes a lot of energy.
Salamat, sir.
Hey, you're very welcome. Amping, see you tomorrow. Man, I keep saying this, but they are such a hard-working family. All right, so they definitely deserve this house, so it's very cool. All right, it's a good day. It's not raining anymore. It was raining really hard earlier. It's more dry now, but this is really slippery through here. All right, guys, take care. I'm gonna go order the sand, and I'll see you guys next video.